Sunscreen. We all know we should wear it, but the labels are so confusing. SPF 30, SPF 50, UVA stars, mineral versus chemical. What does it all mean? If you just slap on the highest number and hope for the best, you might be getting it wrong. Let's make sunscreen science finally click. First, the sun hits us with two main types of UV rays, UVB, which cause burning, and UVA, which cause aging and penetrate deeper. A good sunscreen needs to be broad spectrum to protect you from both. Next, how do they work? Mineral sunscreens use ingredients like zinc oxide to create a physical shield that sits on your skin and reflects UV rays. Chemical sunscreens sink into the skin, absorb UV radiation, and convert it into heat, releasing it from your body. Both are effective. But here's the fact that clicks for most people. SPF numbers are not linear. SPF 30 is not twice as strong as SPF 15. And SPF 15 blocks about 93% of UVB rays. SPF 30 blocks about 97%, and SPF 50 blocks about 98%. The difference in protection gets smaller and smaller as you go up. The most important thing isn't a super high number, but applying enough sunscreen and reapplying it often, especially after swimming or sweating. So look for broad spectrum, pick an SPF of at least 30, and apply it properly. Did that clear things up?